Hi guys, thanks for being here with me again today. My name's Nikki and this is my art channel, Nikki the Art. The first colour I'm showing you there is Sequins by this little piggy, TLP. It's Interference Violet Shift. And these new stirring sticks by Fluid Art Co, who make TLP, they're amazing. They get all in the nooks and crannies as you mix in the pigments. This is TLP Indigo Waves. It's a blue gold shift pigment as well. And this is Pebeo Iridescent Green Yellow, Matisse Ultramarine, Matisse Southern Ocean Blue, sorry. And this is a pigment, it's Pearlex, it's a Duotone Violet Brass. It's got a lovely gold shimmer to it. And this is Golden Iridescent Bright Gold. And I'm using 3 cell activators today. Atelier Pale Gold, Prussian Blue by Amsterdam, and Atelier Titanium White. And these are the new pour mats by Fluid Art Co. They're silicone, so you can just peel the paint off. In all sorts of sizes, and my canvas today is a 20-inch round canvas. Right, I'll put some music on.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Tell me you do. Baby, I can't wait, begin. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Cut through.
with your eyes now. Here in the moonlight, don't wait for the sun, don't wait for the sun. Baby, don't leave me, just dance and believe in it. Get on up, baby, you get it. Get on up, baby, you get it. Get on up, baby, come on, let's get it on. Let me show you how. Assume I'm right. Sometimes just let it. Sometimes just let it. Don't wait for the sun. Don't wait for the sun. Baby, don't leave me. Just dance and believe in it. Get on up, baby. You'll get it. Get on up, baby. You'll get it. Get on up, baby. Come on, let's get it on. Let me show you how. Get on up, baby. You'll get it. Get on up, baby. You'll get it. Get on up, baby. Come on, let's get it on. Let me show you how.
Bet you never loved someone. Bet you never loved somebody like I just did. Bet you always hurt the ones. Hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know nothing, 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 nothing. You don't know what it feels like. Baby, I'm hurting, 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 hurting. And you don't even ask why. Why I'm staying up all night. I haven't slept since you came into my life. Why I'm drinking all the time. Why I'm feeling lonely when you're here by my side. I just want something, 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 something from you that feels right. But I know nothing, 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 nothing will do not this time. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. Hate it when you call me up. Call me up to tell me you're not coming tonight. Hate it when you cut me off. When I'm trying to tell you that it doesn't feel right. If I know one thing, one thing, one thing, one thing, I know your loving ain't fair. You don't know loving, 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 loving. You don't know how to be there. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. This way, this way,
what I'm going for when I blow these petals out is to look, you know, like the alcohol ink flowers, where you get the beautiful soft fluid petals where the colours all merge and blend. So that's why I only put a tiny little bit of my cell activator on, because I only want the cells in the centre. I don't want them going through the petals. I want the softness of the petals, but to still see the colour. Sort of silky effects. It's hard to put it into words. Yeah, I would have liked a bit more colour in the outer petals, but you can never get it exactly how you want, can you? So if you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And yeah, everybody, thanks very much for being here, and hopefully I'll see you next time, and everybody stay safe, take care, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.